Wait for it, okay.
And we're headed up to Maine.
So judging by our surroundings, you'd think we're like in some state park somewhere, but this is actually a fantastic Boondockers Welcome. Not only is it like in the woods and all secluded and just beautiful, but he has full hookup. So there's actually electric, water, and solar, 50 amp electric. So this is really, really nice. Wonderful Boondockers Welcome. They're always great, but some are, you know, extra special with the full hookup like this. So Jared and I got to do some laundry. We're headed on a mission trip, so that we will not be able to do laundry for like 9 days. So we're gonna have quality mommy-son time. Isn't that right, Jared? Jared? See, yes, he's excited. So we're in New Hampshire doing our laundry, right?
Yeah.
It's fun. Mommy-son time.
Mom said we needed to walk around, so we're currently going about this far out to the road, then back to the car.
They apparently don't believe in sidewalks here. I think we're in New Hampshire, very close to the Vermont line, so we may have crossed. There's this sidewalk. Oh, car's coming, don't.
Are we crossing?
Wait for it, okay. And the car, in, okay. Which way should we walk, honey?
I don't know.
So much to, okay, there's that way, or
That way.
that way.
There's shade.
So we have like 25 minutes till our laundry's done. So I'm gonna walk, and Jared's gonna look at the phone and check out, well actually, IndyCar practice comes on in like 15 minutes, right? So we're probably gonna listen to IndyCar practice. Our sidewalk ends. So
Well,
much
then
for
go
the
the other
sidewalk.
way.
Now we are hanging out in the car, and we are listening to the IndyCar practice now. All right, we will go.
All right, hey everyone, we are here in rural New Hampshire getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.
We're gonna talk really quickly. We are headed up to Maine, so we're here in New Hampshire for 2 nights. We're headed up to Maine for a mission trip with our church. The kids and I have been there 3 years. Brian's never been there, so it's his first time, so this is gonna be really fun to show him around Maine, and it's very, very rural Maine.
So we'll show you up in Maine when we go there. We'll show you some beautiful shots from here. But for now, we gotta get in because we're getting eaten alive. McKenna's getting eaten alive behind the camera.
Yeah, so if you see the camera moving a lot, it's because she's like warding off mosquitoes as she goes. We're kind of like itching as we go along here. Come on. Come on.
Don't show it. There you go. All right, we are about to head out from our Boondockers Welcome stay in West Chesterfield, New Hampshire. I'm going to show you something. We got in order to help us get there, we got the latest in GPS technology. So this is some of the places that we've been. It maps those out. And then we're here right now, New Hampshire, and we're headed up to Maine. So I'm just going to follow that map as we drive. Right, Alex?
No.
Why not?
Move it there.
We were never there. Yeah, well, yeah. Honestly, we could just like, we were there.